Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of subtitles on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of subtitles on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Pinterest app and you will enter, right here Pinterest, and you will click. Then you can go to first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in